Well, shalom, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are along the process. This might be number 3. Who knows? I don't keep track of them. I just film them. But if I'd had at least 2 of these little units last night, I wouldn't have had the problems with the crashing piano. I am sure that we would have been in better shape than we are at this point with the restoration of the equilibrium and orientation to the battleship. I could get these off eBay for 4 for $20 and not paid tax, but I thought I'd rather have them because I need them now. The wood ones were less expensive at Harbor Freight. They were a lot more expensive on eBay. People that are stupid don't know what they're buying and pay way too much for them. These were $4.99 a piece, and there was tax involved. They're metal. They don't deform. I don't think the wood ones would have broken or anything, but they were. The thing that was dispositive is the height from the ground to the top of the pad was much lower. I laid one next to the other, and the decision was made when I saw how low they how low they actually are. So access is much easier to place them for future reference, because I'm learning this stuff as I go along, and I don't like to make the same mistake twice. I'm busy making so many of them. I want to learn from the last one so I don't have to repeat the lesson. This was $20, well worth spending. They had it on the shelf. I was ready to go, and that's what we're doing. This piano is going to get ready to go. This one is going to be showtime next week. It's got some dings and dents and some age marks, and guess what? So do I. So it fits it's period correct, just like the little flash of red to this guy. I've got a message for the folks I play music for, and hopefully they'll listen to me. You know, they like the music. Hopefully they'll listen to the words. Thank you for watching. Shalom.